today's topic is the most important topic for all the new aspirants of CAIIB, for those who have given CAIIB up till now, and JAIIB also, not only CAIIB, JAIIB, CAIIB, SOB, and also DBF. Okay, all of those who are aspiring to be bankers, all of those who are in banking and want promotion, and who are concerned about the new syllabus. Now, new syllabus has just now came in for JAIIB and CAIIB, also SOB and DBF also, but we are mainly focusing on JAIIB, CAIIB for 2023, and we'll be covering complete details of that. Complete details means it's total, you won't be needing any other source after this. Okay, before that, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. Join on this app, you'll be getting the premium study material, current affairs, job alert, daily quizzes, subject wise quizzes, magazines, notes, video lectures, live classes. You'll be getting everything over here. Okay, so don't go anywhere else. Okay, yeah, also this Officers Adda YouTube channel, join this ASAP, subscribe to it, share it on their social media, like this, you do everything, share it with your friends. Okay, let's come to the topic. Yeah, this is a new batch which will be coming on September 3rd, and remember, this is the last batch of December 22, where you will be with the current portion. Afterwards, you'll have a new portion altogether. So join, try to clear it ASAP, and you will see how difficult this new portion is. Right now I'll show you. Okay, what are the questions in your mind? When is the first exam? What about old students? How many attempts are there in the new series? Is there a negative marking? Once cleared, is it valid for lifetime? What do you think? Do you think is it valid? Is there a negative marking? Okay, what is the exam pattern? Will it be subjective, objective? What are the subjects for JAIIB and CAIIB? Okay, are there any changes in the subjects? Are there the credits for old passing? Means suppose if I have cleared already some parts, then what about that? Gone? No, we'll answer that, right? Everything will be clarified till the end of this video. What is the passing criteria for under the new syllabus? When does the registration start? This is very important, because after all, if you know everything and you don't know the registration, then what's the use? Okay, so let's start. Okay, now we'll directly go to this circular only from IIBF. Okay, in this circular they've clarified everything, and I'm directly showing you the circular only. What happens otherwise? Sometimes you feel something this or that something might be missing. No, it's directly given from there only. Okay, okay. So first question is, when is the exam starting? This is on May-June 2023. Okay, so up to December 2022. Same portion will continue for JAIIB and CAIIB and SOB DBF. Okay, December 22, but May 2023 new, everything new. Okay, then no old portion. Okay, got it? So December 22 old portion continues, May 2023 new portion goes on. Okay, type yes if you have understood this by now. Type yes fast. Yes, everyone, I need a typing likes and typing from your side in the comment section. Here, whenever we speak on something, whenever any trainer gives you some training, he also needs some motivation from your side. Type it in the comment section, so that the trainer also feels that yes, people are attentive. Okay, under the revised syllabus, there will be 4 compulsory subjects, 4 for JAIIB and DBF, and 4 compulsory subjects for CAIIB. Got it? 4 for JAIIB, 4 for CAIIB. But in CAIIB, we have 1 more elective. In JAIIB, only 4 compulsory. CAIIB, 4 plus 1, 5. Got it? JAIIB, DBF, 4 compulsory. Got it? I am again repeating. CAIIB, 4 plus 1. And SOB, subordinate staff. What is SOB? SOB is for the subordinate staff, right? So there are 3 compulsory subjects. Got it, everyone? Type yes in the comment section. Type understood in the comment section. Okay, now let's look at each topic. Here, this circular is divided into these parts. Okay, some 7-8 parts, right? 8 parts is divided into. We'll look at each part one by one. Okay, JAIIB subjects: Indian economy and Indian financial system. So it's related to economy. What are the 4 subjects? Okay, PPB, accounting and financial. Okay, we'll just call it accounting. And last is retail. See here, PPB and accounting was there earlier also, this 2 and 3, but this has been brought new, Indian economy and retail banking. This has been brought new to you. Okay, now this has been brought from, retail is brought from CAIIB retail elective. Okay, that is gone from there. CAIIB no more retail elective in 2023. Okay, got it, everyone? JAIIB, what are the 4 subjects? Clear? Now SOB is here. We'll just cover this because none of us are going for SOB nowadays. Okay, means many of them might be going, but we are mainly focusing on JAIIB and CAIIB. Okay, so SOB, two subjects are from JAIIB. See this, Indian economy and PPB. See these two over there. And one subject is from CIB, banking regulations and business laws. This is similar to legal, right? Indian this economy, PPB and legal. This is for SOB, subordinate staff. Okay. Then CIB, compulsory subjects. So ABM, BFM as they are earlier. ABM, BFM same as they were earlier. Okay. ABFM, this is a new topic. ABFM, this is related to business and finance. ABM is related to banking only, pure core banking. ABM, BFM are this regulatory topics. ABFM is a business topics. Here, banking is a combination of regulations and business. Suppose if any bank just follows regulations and no business, then will it survive? No. If it follows only business and no regulations, will it survive? No. That's why they have made a combination of all these here. Two are from regulations and two are from, this one is from business and this is again legal part. Okay, so three topics 1, 2 and 4 are from regulations, related to regulations in banking. Okay, but this is more related to legal part and this is more related to technical part, ABM and BFM. Okay, and this is related to business and finance, all business prospects. It means similar to that in MBA which we had it, right? Many of you might have done MBA, and if not done, you might have studied it somewhere else also, right? How is the business managed? How is the financial management done, right? Okay. Elective subjects. All those 11, 12 electives which we had earlier, now gone everything. How many are there? 5. Rural, HR, IT, risk and central banking. These 5 only. Got it everyone? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood by now. Type yes. Rural, HR, IT, risk and central. So only 5. Remember, this is valid from 2023 May, not December 2022. December 2022, this year, coming December, it is the same pattern followed. Okay. Now topics under each subject. Okay. Okay. So under JAIIB, let's study JAIIB first. Okay. So 4 papers: Indian economy, PPB, accounting and retail banking. That retail banking we'll just call retail. Okay. So these 4 topics. Okay. What are the 4 subjects? What are the 4 topics? Is this Indian economy architecture. This will be related to economy. How is the Indian economy? Economic concept, basic concepts of economics. Indian financial architecture means how is the finance world moving. Okay. What are the bonds? What are the debentures? All these things. Financial products, these are more related to retail financial products. Okay, and also bonds and debentures will be there, of course, but more focus is generally on JAIIB on retail products. Okay, but bonds, debentures, then all that swaps, something names would be there, details. Now PPB, general banking and operations, lending operations, this is related to lending, right? Loans. General banking means mostly liabilities. Banking technology, earlier also we had this IT. Only marketing is gone from here. Marketing goes from here and goes to this 4th subject. Okay, it has shifted from PPB and gone to 4th subject. Then this accounting principles, this similar to that earlier one only. Financial statements and core banking, financial management and taxation. This is newly added, taxation. Okay, taxation. Why? Because you and me generally deal in retail banking. We face the clients. Retail clients always have the problem of taxation and how to save the tax, right? And what are the fundamentals of costing, right? These always are the problems in costing. Generally follows to this housing, right? Housing loans. There the fundamentals of costing are useful. Okay, so these are the 4 topics. Got it everyone? Will come up on a detailed video in the coming time under Adda 24/7. That's why I'm saying subscribe to officers under Adda 24/7 and click on that bell icon. Okay, retail banking, introduction to retail products, support services, marketing is there. See this marketing from this PPB has shifted to over here, and wealth management, right? Wealth means this is the main topic for retail banking, isn't it? Wealth means basically all that financial products and everything. Okay, insurance, everything will be there. Okay, now CIB, compulsory. Okay, all compulsory subjects for JAIIB. Okay, now paper 1, paper 2, paper 3. Now this is for SOB. Okay, we'll just cover the main topics over here because many of us, we are not focusing on SOB over here. Okay, Indian economy from JAIIB, paper 2 principles and PPP from JAIIB, and legal from CAIIB. Okay, now let's focus on CAIIB. This CAIIB. Okay, in CAIIB 4 papers again: ABM, BFM, ABFM, and this legal banking regulations. Okay, so what are those? This is similar to that of earlier topics only. Statistics is there, it was there earlier. HR is there, it was there earlier. Credit management is there, it was there earlier. Module D, compliance of banks and corporate governance. It is a part of Basel norms. Okay, it was there, but was not under this name. Okay, but the topic was there. Okay, compliance in banking, but it will be more in detail because it's a full module given to this now. Okay, so it will be more in details. This will be more related to Basel 3. Okay, Basel 3, all the pillars, right? This market discipline pillar mostly. Okay, next BFM. Earlier also we had BFM, now also we have BFM. International banking, again that forex, everything will be there. Risk management, earlier also we had module B, which is there in the present module. Okay, present syllabus. Treasury management, module C, which we have in the present syllabus. Balance sheet management, same. BFM is not changed. Okay, but what remains to be seen is what are the books, new books, what is the portion. Topics might be same. Here, topics, treasury management, balance sheet management. Even if you go after 50 years from now, topic will be same. But the point is, what are the details, nitty-gritties, that will cover under Adda 24/7. Okay, so that's why I'm saying join this officers Adda 24/7. Subscribe to it. Okay, ABFM. This is more related to business management process, advanced concepts of financial management, valuation, mergers, acquisitions, and emerging business solutions. Okay, this will be more focused on business, and these two are more focused on technical parts of legal part or regulations, and this will be more legal, will be more focused on legal, purely legal. Okay, theory part. So regulations and compliance, important acts, then important acts, legal aspects again. Okay, legal aspects, two parts are there, part A and B, module B and C. Okay, and last is commercial and other laws, so that is module D. Okay, commercial means all that sale of goods act, which you had it in JAIIB PPP. Okay, so that in legal also JAIIB legal you had it, right? So that will change now, that will come to CAIIB. Okay, next electives: risk management, IT, central banking means RBI, HR, and rural banking. So details of these you can go through it because I won't cover it now because the video will be too long. Okay, we will come on each topic, each subject later. Okay, I'm just giving you the summary now. Risk management overview, credit risk management, operational risk management, and last one is what? Module D, market risk, right? Similarly for others, IT means introduction to IT systems, introduction to IT systems, then application in banking, then central banking. This is more related to RBI. Rationale and functions of central bank in India, monetary policy, HR, HRM, building HR strategy, motivation training. So this will be similar. Okay, nothing more different as such. Okay, rural. Earlier also we had the similar topics, and now also we are having the similar topics. Okay, there's no major change, only the change is electives have been reduced. Okay, now examination pattern: 100 questions, 120 minutes. Now 100 questions, 100 marks. It doesn't mean each question 1 mark. Remember, there can be a question of 2 marks, there can be a question of half a mark also, but the limit of the questions is 100 questions. Okay, again here also MCQ questions, 100 questions, 100 marks. Okay, but again I am saying it doesn't mean you will have all the questions of 1 mark. It can be that some questions are of 2 marks, some questions are of 1 mark. Okay, next, negative marking 25. Now this is an important part, it was not there earlier. Negative marking is there for 25%, negative marking is there for 25%, JAIIB and CAIIB also. Okay, so now I want the answer from your side. All those who are attentive or not attentive, is there a negative marking in the new syllabus? Type yes or no. Is there a new negative marking in the new syllabus? Type yes or no. Right, yes. Okay, yes, there is a negative marking, and this is the most important part. What is this? There may be some numerical questions in CAIIB where no options will be provided. Oh, no options provided. Then what? These questions will not be of MCQ pattern, and the answer will have to keyed in by the candidate. Means you'll have to type the answers as we did it in the books pen and paper model. Okay, there you'll have to type the answers, type it on the computer. They'll be giving you, providing with the separate units. Okay, if they want it directly from the keyboard, you can type it from the keyboard. They'll give you the instructions. Okay, but important part is there are some questions in the new syllabus where no options will be given to you. You have to apply your own logic and solve that problem. Okay, now next important and very important part, credits. Okay, credits will be allowed only for the following subjects. Suppose if you are from the present syllabus and you are going to the new syllabus, then what? Okay, credits will be allowed to for JAIIB. You will be having the credits for PPB. Earlier also PPB we had, you are now also PPB you will have. Means what? If you have cleared PPB in present syllabus, then you need not go for this PPB. Okay, if you have cleared accounting in the present syllabus, you need not attempt that paper later. Okay, but the credits are given for only these two papers. Okay, got it everyone? Okay, now there is a criteria for this, but okay, remember, I'll come to this criteria after this. Okay, only now, up till now, you just understand this. PPB cleared in first syllabus or present syllabus, no PPB required. Account clear in present syllabus, no accounts required to be given in the next paper. That's it, clear? CAIIB. ABM cleared in the present syllabus, no ABM required to be given in the next syllabus. BFM cleared in the first syllabus, no BFM in the new syllabus required. Elective is simple. Risk management cleared, risk management done. IT cleared, no IT required to be given. RBI banking means central banking cleared, no central banking required. Okay, HR cleared in the present syllabus, no HR required. This is easy, you might have understood, right? Rural banking cleared, rural banking, no rural banking required. SOB, I'll skip it. Okay, next. Now no credits will be given for the following subjects. So means what? These are the new topics under JAIIB, right? Indian economy and Indian financial system and retail banking. So these are totally new topics. From where will they give the credits? CAIIB. They have brought this ABFM and that business law, means legal, they have brought it. From where will they give the credits? Because there was no subject of this name in the earlier or similar subject in the earlier syllabus. So no credits for this. Okay, so remember, for these two new subjects in JAIIB and CAIIB, no credits. You will have to give it at any cost. Okay, okay. Now we come to the important part about the time limits. Such candidates who are appearing under the revised syllabus and have taken credits under the present syllabus have to mandatorily pass the aforesaid new subjects within the time limit. So what is the time limit? Now we'll come to that time limit. Say this. Under the new syllabus, take it from me by heart this. Under the new syllabus, you'll have 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Mind it, keep it in your mind, by heart this. 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Be clear about it. Okay. So if you register in May 23, now see here, I am talking about the new syllabus only. May 23, you will have only 5 attempts. May 23, December 23, May 24, December 24, and May 25. Either these 5 attempts or 3 years. So May 23, then 3 years from there, 23, 24, 25. So December, May 23, December 23, yeah, 24, 25. December 25. Okay. So you are having 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Okay. Suppose if I register in May 23, then if I give it consecutively all the 5 attempts, then my attempts get exhausted in what? That May 25 only. But if I skip some attempt in between, my brother's marriage, sister's marriage, his marriage, that marriage gone, so you can have one more leeway for this, just 1 attempt leeway. So you'll have to clear it by December 25 if you register in May 23. Got it everyone? Clear? This concept should be very clear in your mind. 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Okay, got it? Okay. Now If this is not that important. If you are not able to clear it within that 3 years or 5 attempts, then again go for the new registration. Then go back and attempt again. Simple. Find afresh. No credits then. Means if you appear for some subject, I'll give you an example. You appear for some for CIB in May 23 or JAIB, okay, in May 23. Then 4 subjects are there. Suppose if you can't clear, you clear only 2 subjects, okay, up to December 25, okay, 3 years. You don't give the 5 attempts, you give the 5 attempts in up to December, leave something in between, okay, so this marriage, that marriage, okay. But you are not able to clear that 4 subjects, only 2 you have cleared. So after December 25, when you go for May 26, 0, you will have to reappear for with all the 4 subjects or whatever that at that time the syllabus will be, okay. Clear? Yeah. Time limit of 3 years and 5 attempts, whichever is earlier, will start from the date of registration. So when the date of registration, that will be 3 years or 5 attempts, okay. Clear with this? Okay. Yeah. So next. Yeah, the rules mentioned above imply that normally a candidate will be eligible for any 5 examinations out of 6 examinations. That's what I said, right? One exam they have given you freeway or leeway for some marriage or some function, okay, but only one. So you have to clear it within 3 years, okay, max to max, or 5 attempts, whichever is earlier, okay. If the candidates avail all 5 attempts before completion of 3 years, then he will have to re-enroll. Means what? If the candidates if the candidate goes for it, okay, and in 5 attempts he goes for all the 5 attempts but cannot clear, so then he won't get that last attempt of December 25, okay. Then he will have to compulsorily re-enroll. So 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier. Gaad baan lo dimag mein. That's it, okay. Now then under the present syllabus, this is very important. Means if you have cleared some subject in the present syllabus, then how many attempts do you have? Now this I'll clear it through example, okay. The validity of the credits will be linked to the time limit under the revised syllabus. To amplify, a candidate has availed exhausted 3 attempts under the present syllabus will now get 2 attempts more, okay. Remember this by heart. Total 5 attempts in the new syllabus. If you have exhausted 3 attempts, then 2 more attempts you will have, because 5 minus 3 is 2. But I'll give you one example. These examples will clarify everything, okay. Let's see what are these examples. Suppose if you have registered in May 21, so how many attempts have gone? May 21, February 22, June 22 and December 22. 4 attempts gone, right? So now how many are remaining? Nil, right? Although you have 5, okay, nil. But don't look at this nil, you will get confused. This part is of no use to you. Important part is this. Skip this part, okay. This part, skip this part, okay. So 4 attempts have gone. So now what is it? So then you'll have attempts allowed as per the revised syllabus. So time limit of 3 years or 5 attempts, whichever is earlier. 3 years or 5 attempts. 4 have gone, okay. 4 attempts have gone. Now 5 attempts total under the new syllabus, but 4 you have already exhausted. So now look at this. The candidate under the present syllabus has no attempts left. Hence, he shall not get to retain the credits of the subjects passed under the revised syllabus. The candidate will have to apply afresh from May 23. This is always the most important part. May 21, if somebody has registered for that exam, May 21 exam, okay, then you will have to re-register it totally, okay. Remember this, you will have to re-register it if you have registered for May 21. Got it? Next, November 21, if you have registered for November 21 exams, here this is December 22, if you have registered for November 21 exam, then how many attempts are gone? Here, how many attempts? Let's see. February 22, okay, then June, July 22, then November, December 22, okay. So 3 attempts gone. Which one? Here, keep it simple. February 22, why have they given? Because this exam of November, December was conducted in February. Think only November. So December 21 exam gone, June 22 exam gone, means this exam, which is gone, and December 22 exam gone. How many attempts gone? 3. So total how many are given in this? They have given you 5 attempts for the new syllabus. So out of those 5, 3 are gone. So how many you will have now? 2 attempts more or 1.5 year. Why 1.5 year? Here, how many months have gone over here? 6 months, 6 months, 6 months. So 1.5 year gone over here. Total how many years do they say? 3 years under new syllabus. So 3 years minus 1.5 year, 1.5 year over here remains. 5 attempts minus 3 attempts, 2 attempts over here. Right? Cleared everyone? Clarified? Got it? But this is for what? This is for case 1, means what? If you want a credit for these earlier exams, okay? If you don't want the credit, you want, oh, forget this all ABM, BFM which I have done, I'll go new, fresh. Then what's the problem? No problem. Case 2, go for the new, fresh application. Again, you'll be a new student over there. Okay? Got it? So again, that rule of 5 attempts, 3 years will be there as per the new rule. Now next case is, but hardly anyone will forego ABM and BFM, right? If you have already cleared ABM, BFM and then again going for it, I don't suggest it's a clever thing, okay? Use those credits, okay? May 22. If you have registered for May 22, okay, and exam held in June, July. So then what happens? May 22, how many attempts have gone up to December 22, up to the new syllabus? June gone and December gone. So 2 have gone. How many are there as per the new syllabus? 5. Out of 5, 2 gone. So you'll have 3. Simple maths. Total 5 minus how many gone? So 3 attempts more. In 2 attempts, how many years are gone? 6 months each attempt. So 1 year is gone. So out of 3 years, 1 year is gone. So 2 years remaining. So maths is simple now. 5 minus 2 and 3 minus this total years. Okay, that's it. Now everything is clear to you. But this is for all what? If you want a credit. If you don't want a credit, new student, again go, okay. If you register for this December 22 exam, this coming exam, okay. So how many attempts gone? Only 1 gone. So how many are there as per the new syllabus? 5. Out of 5, 1 gone. So 4 will be there. See this 4. 4 attempts are there. Year also. Total how many years for this new syllabus? 3 years. After that, how many months gone? 1 attempt is 6 months. Simple. Keep it simple. 1 attempt, 6 months. So 6 months gone. So 2.5. See this? You'll have 2.5 over here. Maths. Nobody can go wrong in maths. See this. 2.5 years, whichever is earlier. So that's it. 5 attempts or 3 years, whichever is earlier, starting from your registration date. Okay, got it? Everyone clear it about this? Okay, next part. Yeah. Let me see if anything important is over here. Chooses not to apply on the May 23 will be considered as count. Okay. Now this is important part. See this. If any candidate is eligible to avail credits for the subjects passed under the present syllabus and has balance attempts left under the present syllabus and chooses not to apply for May-June 23 exam under the revised syllabus, the May-June 23 exam will be considered in his count as per the time limit rule and so on. Okay, remember this. So if you say no, I don't want May 23, I'll go for next. No, that will be counted. Okay, an example given below will clarify more about this. Okay, see this. November, December 21 exam held in February. Okay, so how many attempts gone? 3 attempts gone. Okay, so what will he do? He shall be eligible to retain credits for the past subjects for 2 attempts more. 5 minus 3, 2, right? And 1.5 year gone. So 1.5 year over here. Okay, clear? That's the same rule is again followed over here. Okay, now passing criteria. Passing criteria is 50 marks out of 100. And if you are giving all the 3 subjects at once only, then 45. Same rule which is going on now. Is there any change? No change. Write in the comment section. What do you think? Is there any change regarding this 50 marks and 45 marks? What do you say? Is there any change? Type yes or no in the comment section. Fast. Yes. Right? There is no change. Okay. Now this exam registration, that is simple one. Nothing here. Retain the credits passed of the subjects means if you want to retain the credits, then you have a separate option under that form. And if you want to join a new student, then you have a separate option under that form. Okay, they are giving you 2 options. Okay. Now this option will be applicable only once. only once. Once you say, sir, I want to retain the credits. Next 6 months you say, no, I don't want to retain the credits. Gone. Only once. Okay. Candidates who have not cleared CAIIB but have passed, passed or not passed retail banking under the present syllabus will have to select a new CAIIB elective. Now this is important. Suppose if you have cleared CAIIB, okay, cleared retail banking in CAIIB, and you are going in May 23, then no use. You'll have to select a new elective. If you have not cleared retail, then also select a new elective. Okay, that's it. Means retail has no meaning over there. Okay. Candidates will also have the choice to change the CAIIB elective. This is very important, right? I think this is also there presently also. Suppose if you want to change the elective, you can change it, right? Means suppose if you want rural in May, you have taken rural in May 23, but in December you feel no, rural is very difficult here, I'll go for HR. You can go for HR. Okay, so that was it. It's that simple. Okay, so everyone has understood this. I'll take a leave now. So share this among all your friends, I would suggest. Okay, share it fast among all your friends, because this is important for everyone who is appearing for CAIIB, JAIIB, SOB, DBF, and who wants to go for further banking exams. But before going, I would suggest, see this batch, fresh batch of ours is coming up. Okay, this batch, go to Adda 24/7. On Adda 24/7, click on CAIIB. I'll show you live. Okay, everything I'll show you live now. Okay, yeah, go to Adda 24/7. I'll type Adda 24/7 directly over here. Okay, Adda 24/7. Okay, one sec, just hold on. Let's go to new this window. Adda 24. Go to Adda 24/7. On over here you'll see this JAIIB CAIIB. Click on JAIIB CAIIB. Once you click on JAIIB CAIIB, you'll see this exam, November December exam. Click over here. Once you click on this exam, see this, click on this exam. Yeah, now you'll get the batches over here, all the batches. Click on the first batch, 17,999. You'll say the fees, sir, fees. But remember, put this code Y432. You can read the details of this 120 plus hours of live interactive classes, regular practice, then recorded videos, December 2022 attempt, expertise is available, so guidance. Okay, now 17,999 is the fees. You can read the details about this. Okay, so this fees, how to reduce the fees. Okay, go for this code Y432. Apply this code Y4. Don't forget this code Y432. Click on apply. See what is the off. Off is 80% over here. 80% off is going on. Okay, 80% off. So the fees reduces from 17,999 to 3,599. So less, and that also for the last attempt. Go for it. Okay, share it with your friends. I'll be back with another recording, another video. Okay, till then, bye.